What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. So today we're going to be talking about SingularityNET, AGIX, and where prices could go from here. This coin is one of the top searched coins right now, and I believe it could be very big in this up and coming cycle. So I'm excited to talk about this coin with you guys today. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy these videos, make sure that you share them with your friends. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. So looking here at AGIX here on Binance, this coin saw a very nice recovery. You can see that we started to correct here in February, and we came all the way down to about 28 cents, 29 cents, and then we had this very sharp recovery here on AGIX. This is a V bottom. So a V bottom reversal is a very powerful pattern. It's a common pattern. It's one we see a lot. This is like what the S&P 500 did during the coronavirus drop in 2020. Had a V bottom, and then of course prices continued to march up higher. Now here with AGIX, we did get a very nice climb here at the beginning of the year. This was a huge pump. A lot of people missed out on this, but for the people that did get in on this coin, it was like a 1,500% pump. Let's go ahead and measure the percentage here. Yeah, like 1,700% actually. So that was a very nice move up here on AGIX. So people are kind of wondering, is price going to go down? Is price going to go up from here? What's going on with this coin? And ultimately, the trend is your friend. Whenever you get a huge breakout like this, sometimes it can pull back like we did see here. We did get a bit of a pullback. And what you'll usually use is a Fibonacci to figure out kind of where it could pull back to. The places that you're watching for are going to be that 50%, that 618. If it pulls back really hard, it'll go to that 786 level and sometimes a little bit lower. But you can see we did pull back after the pump, and we came right down to that 618 level. If I get this to be a little bit more accurate here, you'll see that it's right on that 618 level, and we bounced really hard. So ultimately, I think this trend is going to continue up. I believe this probably will break through this local high here again and start pushing higher. And when it does this, price could go all the way up to $1 and higher than that even. But overall, this coin is looking very good. I love to see that we broke out. We had a nice healthy pullback. We had an even more powerful recovery, and prices look very good from here. So AGIX is definitely one I'm watching heading forward into this bull market. You guys, this coin definitely has my attention. There's going to be a lot of new coins that pump in the up and coming bull market, and it's really profitable to go ahead and pick the ones that you're seeing are doing really well at the start, because in the last cycle, a lot of the coins that started off strong continued even stronger. And that's actually happened in the previous cycle as well. So I think that will be the case here with AGIX, that because we've had a strong beginning here, we started to break out on a lot of these coins. So long as the market continues to push upward, which I believe it will, this will be one of the big movers inside of the crypto space. So being worth 50 cents right now, there's a lot of upside potential here with this coin. I mean, $1, I believe, is pretty easily going to be reached. And then beyond that is obviously what happens when the market starts to FOMO. And obviously, you guys, this coin could pull back a little bit again or whatever, take some time, consolidation before it breaks out. But with a strong recovery like this, with a V-shaped recovery, it's actually more likely that it pushes up through resistance and keeps going up very strong. So right now I see a lot of opportunity in this coin. I think in the big picture, there's a ton of money to be made. I think that AI may be a bigger part of this cycle than it was in the last cycle. And this is a coin that is associated with artificial intelligence. And yeah, I just think this coin is going to do really well. So I'm super excited about AGIX. One that you guys can probably make a bunch of money on if you're willing to put a little bit in take the risk. You guys know the drill. This isn't financial advice, but on this channel, we talk about my personal trading journal. And with that being said, my personal trading journal says that this coin has a ton of potential. And so I'm just super excited to be sitting here with you guys today and running over this project with you. It will move in correlation to Bitcoin, of course. So long as Bitcoin continues to break higher, we're going to see this one continue to march up. If Bitcoin decides to pull back a little bit again and find support, this one might pull back with it as well, or most likely will. They pretty much always follow each other. However, Bitcoin looks really strong right now. So this coin looks strong, Bitcoin looks strong, the whole market looks very strong. So overall, I think that leaning towards more upside is definitely what's going to happen. That's what I'm betting my personal money on, and that's what I expect in this coin. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button for me. Like I said, share these videos with your friends. Also, join the VIP program. Links in the description below. All you got to do is shoot me an email. It's super simple to get set up, and we'll get you inside of the group so you can start making money today. Start earning money on the coins that we're watching, see what coins we're buying in the Discord, see what ones we're selling, see where we believe the market's headed, and join thousands of other members inside of that group. Once inside of the group, you'll find thousands of other investors to trade along with. You can see here that we have a whole bunch of members inside of the group. And there's a bunch of value to be provided in here as well. Just a few quick testimonials here. We have Clayton, who turned $1,000 into $5,000. We have Tanya, that is up over 300% in her investments. She was brand new to the group when she shared this testimonial with us, only 3 months inside of the group. So that's a pretty nice gain, you guys. We also have Overbuilt, who took his father's crypto investments and is up over 400% since joining the group. So I've got more as well we could run over, but I just wanted to share those with you guys today. There's a bunch of money to be made in these markets, and the VIP is the best place to do it. Shoot me an email in the description box below, and we'll get you started today. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos and updates. Definitely check out this coin, AGIX. I see a bunch of opportunity in it, as well as a lot of other ones. And as always, stay profitable out there.